Hello guys, welcome. Now we are about to do it. We are about to cut it and open the fridge now. So now I'm going to cut. See, I'm cutting. Hear the sound? That's it. Okay. Let's put the knife somewhere. Bring it back small. Let's put it. Oh, wow. So this is how it looks inside. Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice. Wow. Ha! Nasco! Wow, we fucking did it! It's so beautiful. Wow! A nice fridge. Oh, fucking shit. Sorry for that, guys. Wow! This exceeds my expectation. Ha! I'm overwhelmed. Like it enlightens the room. Wow! Wow! This is so beautiful. Wow. Guys, it's so nice. Wow. Guys, I'll get back to you. So, wow.